As we write code, it's very important to keep our code clean and organized, just like our houses. If your house is messy and full of stuff all over the place, you're going to have a difficult time finding something you're looking for. In contrast, if your house is clean and everything is in the right place, you can quickly find your stuff. We have the exact same concept in coding. As our programs grow larger, we have to break down our code into smaller chunks. These chunks are easier to read and understand. Also, we can potentially reuse them in other programs. Programs written this way are more maintainable and easier to extend. Now, there is more to clean coding that I can cover in this section. I have a complete course on clean coding if you're interested. But in this section, I'm going to teach you the most important skills you need to know to write clean and maintainable code. We're going to do an open surgery on our mortgage calculator because this code is very dirty and smelly. We'll restructure this code step by step and turn it into beautiful code. You're going to see that soon. Now, before we get started, you need to learn how to create new methods. And that's what we're going to look at next.